Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save Zoom live captions. This is incredibly useful if you want to keep a written record of your meetings for reference or documentation purposes. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. This will take you to your Zoom account dashboard where you can manage all your settings and preferences. After logging in, look at the left sidebar and click on My Account, then select Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your Zoom meetings and features. Next, click on Meeting. This section contains specific settings related to how your meetings function and what features are available during calls. Now, scroll down through the meeting settings until you find Full Transcript. Once you locate it, toggle this option on, then click Enable. This step is essential because it activates the transcript feature that allows you to capture and save captions during your meetings. With that enabled in your web settings, it's time to switch over to the Zoom app. Open your Zoom application and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the same account where you just enabled the transcript feature. Now, join a meeting. This can be any Zoom meeting you're participating in where you want to capture the captions. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar and click on More. From the options that appear, select Show Captions. This will activate the Live Captions feature during your meeting, displaying what's being said in real time. Next, click the up arrow next to the Show Captions icon in the Meeting Controls toolbar. This arrow will reveal additional caption-related options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select View Full Transcript. This opens a panel that displays the complete transcript of everything being said during the meeting. In the right panel where the transcript is displayed, click Save Transcript. This will save the transcript file to your computer. Then, click Show in Folder to navigate directly to where the file has been saved. Finally, open the file to view your saved transcript. You now have a complete written record of your Zoom meeting captions that you can refer back to anytime. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.